drunk. The freak child. She doesn't even have to be drunk to be crazy. Handsy with her feet here.
Liz, are you okay?
Chocolate!
Chocolate! Liz, go shower.
I'm stuck. We have a sock guy. Pull the sock off. Cindy hates that. If you want to bug her, just go take her sock off real fast, and she's like, "Oh my god, one sock on!" This is really pathetic.
Hey Liz, go shower.
Get away from my boobs! You perverted child! They're not symmetrical! No, they're not, but leave them alone! Get your ass off my...
Liz! Liz, go shower.
I don't think she's going to go.
Why do you two have so much energy?
Energy? What are you talking about?
Both an elbow. Both armpit. Both armpit.
Oh my god, come here.
What are we doing? Down on the floor.
Yes. You are going on.
I don't want to go to the shower.
You're gonna take a shower if I have to drag you in there in your
I don't
clothes.
want to take a shower. I don't want to take a shower. You're so mean. I'm not gonna take a shower.
You're gonna get hurt.
Watch out for Ragnarok and Lavi's hammer. Otherwise, do as you please.
Carpet burn. Oh, tile. Oh, tile feels good.
You thought I was kidding, didn't you?
But she's funny.
Funny.
She's funny.
Oh, you silly.
Oh, you little thing.
Wait. Oh, you silly little thing, you.
Can I get my pants?
Dead weight.
You're not showing up. Oh my god.
Just get her in there and turn on the water.
Oh, what do you think I'm gonna do?
No, no, no! Squeeze my ass.
Damn it! Fuck this fight!
Now we're back where we started. Hey Liz.
It's 10:30. We're gonna have to go soon.
Okay, I'm gonna take a shower.
God